Our top story tonight, severe storms have left some communities in Middle Georgia ravaged by an EF1 tornado. That's confirmed by the National Weather Service. As the cleanup continues tonight, some are still without power, while others have lost much more. WSAV News 3's Chase Justice reports.
And as you can see behind me, I was in that room when the tree fell. A vortex of stuff spinning around when the lightning was lightning outside. I knew I was in a tornado, so I rolled out sideways of the bed, crawled to my nearest bathroom and hit my knees praying.
Prayers answered. As overnight storms rolled across Georgia, the worst was seen just over 2 hours west of Savannah in Coffee County, where the National Weather Service reported that an EF1 tornado touched down near the town of Douglas around 9 o'clock Saturday night.
At first blush, we're looking at winds of 104 plus at this juncture. It could be even higher than that.
No injuries have been reported, but over 70 homes were damaged across Coffee County, and close to 1,000 customers have reported a loss of power.
We got our roads open. Power company's trying to reestablish power. Our schools are going to be closed tomorrow for a couple of different reasons. One being the water damage on the road and the amount of power that's out.
The most significant damage was seen in the Bay Meadows community and Bear Creek Mobile Home Park, just north of the town of Douglas, where some homes were lifted completely off the ground.
Today has just been really, it's devastating. I mean, the house is just a disaster.
Coffee County Emergency Management says the cleanup process is currently underway as they continue to assess the damage across the area. Chase Justice, WSAV News 3, on your side.